Got a cool video to share with your friends or family on Viber? Learn how to easily send videos, whether they're already on your phone or you want to record on the spot. Sending videos on Viber is a great way to share experiences, show rather than tell, and make your conversations more dynamic. You can send videos from your phone's gallery or record a new one directly within the chat. So, from the Viber app, tap on the contact or group chat where you want to send a video. There, by the bottom, tap on the image icon. Once you do, you'll be able to scroll through your gallery and choose the videos you want. Or you can record a video by tapping on the top left corner. After selecting a video, or multiple videos, tap on the send button by the bottom right. Before sending it though, you'll be able to make changes like trimming, filtering, adding text, stickers, or scribbling on it. You'll also be able to add a description to go along with your video. Once you're done, tap on the send button by the bottom right corner again. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.